Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write a poster on Say No to Alcohol. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Firstly, write in a highlighted text, Say No to Alcohol. Next line, say yes to clear minds, strong bodies, and vibrant lives. As you can see, in the right hand side, I have drawn a graphical representation about the theme of the poster. There is an alcohol bottle and a glass with a stop or no sign on it. Next, we have to highlight the key points of our poster under an impressive heading. Here, for example, I am writing destructive impacts. First point, impairs cognitive function. Second point, increases road risk. Third point, damages vital organs. So, I have listed these 3 points about the disadvantages or the harmful effects of alcohol. In the next part of our poster, we will continue with our suggestions that needs to be done in order to solve this social issue. We will start with a catchy slogan. Here, for example, I am writing, choose health, not hangovers. First point, reject alcohol, embrace wellness. Second point, choose health over intoxication. Third point, embrace a sober lifestyle. Next, we will write a slogan that will work more of like a call to action. Here, for example, I am writing, break the chain, refrain from the drinks. Next, you can give any other important information, or you can also mention the name of the organization on whose behalf you are writing this poster. Here, for example, I am writing the addiction helpline number, and you can mention the number you wish to.